video tutorial which is about non-terminating decimal to fraction by Jacob Phoenix Robles. Non-terminating can also be said as recurring or repeating. Moving on to the lesson. Converting decimal to fraction is elementary, but repeating decimals are also rational numbers, so they can be represented as fractions too. That's what this topic is about. Taking a repeating decimal and finding a fraction with the same value. 0.33 vinculum is equal to 1/3. How do we know this? We'll get to that in a second. The bar above the number is called a vinculum. If you look at the decimal 0.333, which goes on forever, or 0.3, when you multiply it by 10, you get 3.3. Both numbers have the same digits after the decimal point. The idea is to subtract, so 3.3 minus 0.3 is equal to 3. Let's move on to something different. If x is equal to 0.3, find 10x and 9x. The first thing we need to do is find 10x. So 10 times 0.3 is equal to 3.3. Second is 9x. So 10x minus x is equal to 3.3 minus 0.3 equal to 3. So 9x is equal to 3. But we need the fraction, so we move these numbers around, which gives us x is equal to 3 over 9, which can be simplified to 1 over 3. An important note, if two digits are repeated forever, then multiply by 100 before subtracting. If three digits are repeated forever, then multiply by 1,000, and so on and so forth. Let's try a new problem applying what we have learned from earlier. So we need to convert 0.23 to a fraction. The number 23 goes on forever, not just number 3. We apply the solution from earlier. 100x is equal to 23.23, then x minus x is equal to 23.23 minus 0.23, which will give us 23. So 99x is equal to 23, which means x is equal to 23 over 99. It's fairly simple. You won't always get a whole number as a result of the subtraction. If this happens, you may need to multiply the numerator and the denominator of the fraction to make sure they are both integers. Note that the vinculum is only on the 1/100th number, 0.03. So as per usual, 10x is equal to 34.33. Then we subtract like we always do. 10x minus x is equal to 34.33 minus 3.43 is equal to 30.9. The answer will turn out to be 30.9 out of 9. But obviously, we can't have that as an answer, as it is not an integer. So we have to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 10 so we can get an equivalent fraction of the same value. 30.9 times 10 is equal to 309, and 9 times 10 is equal to 90, which gives us 309 over 90, which can be simplified to 103 over 30. And that concludes our lesson for today. Thank you for listening.